Hi friends, how are you? I'm sure you all will be fine. Friends, as we know, we all are preparing for the same examination here, and this examination is either it is Indian Air Force examination or Indian Navy examination. We all have been working really very hard for a long time, and yet we have not got our goal. What are we lacking in? What's the reason behind it that we are not getting our desired, we are not getting selected, or we are not clearing our examination? So I think regarding this, from today I'm going to make some videos every day from my own experience that I do every day to fulfill all the criteria to be selected in the Air Force examination or Navy examination. Actually, I had selected. I had been selected, but what happened? You know it well that I could not clear the second phase examination, and the reason behind is that my English. I was not too fluent in English at that time, so I could not clear the GD part. I'm sure that all of you know it well because you are you are too close to me. So that's why I could not clear that examination. But again, I'm preparing for the same examination. We all are preparing for the same examination, and we are sure that we will clear this examination this time. And up till now, I have known what's the importance of English in this area where we are going. We are going either in Indian Navy examination or Indian Air Force examination. If we talk about Indian Air Force examination, then English is very very important. Without English, we won't be able to get selected in the examination. So to do that, what we have to do, uh, what will we have to do, and what are we going to do, or what are we doing right now? Is it enough or not? So along that way, we will clear everyone's problem, and then I'm sure that, and here we will share everyone's experiences, how you are doing, how you are preparing for your examination, and how I am preparing for my examination. What is the reason behind my English? Why do I clear? You know, I clear any examination just because of English, because my English is good enough to be selected in any most of the examination. I will not say that all of the examination, but most of the examination. I'm sure that I can clear 75% of the questions if I solve any questions. So friends, I will just share you only those experiences that I use, and how you will also be able to score better marks in English in any examination. So I will share you my experiences. What do I do? So for that, what you have to do, you have to be connected with me, so that I may give you some suggestion. I will upload some videos every day. I think one video will be uploaded every day on my YouTube channel, and you will come to know. I will upload only videos regarding my studies, our studies, what are we doing, what should we do, what are we lacking, and most of them will be just related to English only. You can also ask me questions related to how to do other subjects like physics and mathematics also, because I am also reading those subjects, and how I am doing in those subjects. So that's all. I'm sure you will be with me, and you can ask any question as you also ask me in daily life, but you can also ask here. I will help you out through all the questions if I'm able to help you. Okay, so that's very nice. Just be safe wherever you are, and keep on your studies. Don't leave it, because this time we won't get such an opportunity that we are going to get right now, because we have got lots of time, and here we are also getting, I think we will get two opportunities at the same time. So for that you have to be ready.